to stand up for justice. Brotherhood and see the customer here. Marlon! What's that going on? We do videos, eh? Devotion. Marlon, how you doing? You're a new customer, so we have to do a video with you. Wait. At the first, may I deliver to you? Fabian, oh, you never tell me to deliver to Marlon already. How that one I miss me? I don't understand you. You make one come say hi to Marlon. What treat? 3 times, so I have to ask if you like the service. I like the service.
Good man.
It's good. We bring come here yard, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know. You slip under the radar because we normally come meet and greet every new customer. Alright, now worry yourself, we give you a free coupon. So you don't recommend other people join us, ship with us? You don't recommend that?
Yeah man, definitely.
Then tell them for me.
Yeah, it's a nice, easy process working with the company. So, yeah, definitely.
Alright, you hear that, guys? Marlon give us the thumbs up. I'm going to give him a free coupon. Sometimes I chat too much. But I know nothing. We love it, Marlon. We love it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I make sure I seal it up. Don't worry yourself, me sort you out, man. That's how we do. We get the items, ship from overseas, deliver to Jamaica, and we give you free coupons. But you have been using a free coupons, right? Yeah, man. Cool. And you get one more free one. You see it though, guys? Alright, no problem at all. Alright, no respect. See? Manners. Alright, guys, you heard it here. Marlon just get a free coupon because I chat enough. So you go. Me no mind either. Alright, guys, there's a link here or in the description box. Go ahead, click the link. Join us today. Sign up, get your items delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Alright? Later. Bye.